Alright, so the trailer is finally here. Took about 6 months to get home here in Jacksonville, Florida. As you can see here, 40 foot, full of dead stock NASCAR pieces. I mean, this was a deal of a lifetime, the haul of a lifetime. I'm so excited to show you guys what we have. Fucking straight Dale Earnhardt hits. About 60 of them. Big Shrek boy.
Oh, dude, that's the one that
sick.
Fucking dude.
Sick as fuck. Blood racing gloves, Carolina 2002. Look at this. Under this, straight fucking dead stock NASCAR hats, probably 1,000 of them. Stewart tees, about, I don't know, 50 of them, 60 of them. All right there, Tony Stewart. Daytona 500. Couple NFL hits, Pittsburgh Steelers, dead stock. I don't even know what that is. More AOPs. Oh yeah, come on. Elliott Sadler. Jeff Gordon. Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful t-shirt. Please look at this shirt. There's about 7 of them down there that I see. There's more. Tony Stewart. What is this? This is Warren Lotus? Oh, WWF Stone Cold.
Damn.
Yo. Heads up, this is a big box. Holy shit. Oh. I think these are all hats. Atlanta Braves, dead stock, new era. Yeah, look at all these hats, man. Coors Light, 2000 champion, Chevy Racing. That one's hard as fuck. Dale Earnhardt. These are like $25 hats a pop. There's probably 100 of them. This is probably another 50, 60 pieces right here. Big Dogs, Foreigners, Jeff Gordon jerseys. You need some underwear, we got you. No, those are long johns. Dale Earnhardt, Jeff Gordon. Harley Davidson, AOP hits, Viagra AOP hit, NASCAR underwear, man, we got you. Dale Earnhardt underwear, come on, dude. Like Bobby Labonte underwear. A little bit of everything in here.
I'm an artist just like that,
I mean,
so when I see stuff like this, I'm like, oh, evolution.
More AOP hits. Oh man, this Rusty Wallet t-shirt is hard.
Yeah, I don't know how to turn on though.
It's like so much stuff. Tony Stewart. Ooh, this is
that's the Kellogg's guy, right?
No, I think he was Home Depot.
Oh.
Yeah, this is the type of stuff we like right here.
All in cahoots then.
All you gotta do is add a layer of
Oh my god, dude, there's more.
Whatever that is.
yeah, you don't have to make it like
Virginia Tech? Okay.
it's kind of like roofing. So
Go Hokies?
roofs,
Yeah.
That's the whole thing. Oh, this is all literally Virginia Tech crew necks. That's cool.
Bro, it took about 4 hours before I was able to.
Dale Earnhardt. Oh, these are like baby shit. That's kind of cool. Ooh, what is this? The ladies love when you ride the hot spot. About 15 of those.
officer.
Whoa, dude.
Michigan, Georgia Tech, bro. What the fuck is happening right now?
Tired yet, dude?
Nah, bro. This is like, I'm like a kid in a candy shop. Man. Okay, so we have made it back. Obviously, shit is a mess. We are sorting through the whole haul right now. I mean, there's bins everywhere, there's clothes everywhere. This is probably gonna take us all night, but the sooner we get it done, the sooner we can get it out to the public, and that is our main goal. So it's gonna take a lot of hard work, a lot of tedious work, but this is honestly the fun part because you get to go from piece to piece to kind of see what you really got instead of just kind of sifting through bins really quick. Just to kind of update, all this stuff's dead stock. Nobody's even went through it yet. We have dirty piles of clothes that need to be cleaned. I mean, things that are organized that need to go back in the bins. I mean, yeah, this is the fun part right here. So look at this. Jeff Gordon, AOP. We have about, I don't know, 15, 20 of them. Let's see, we got about 20, probably like 30 of these. Dale Jarrett, AOP. Look at this, Spoof T, Tiger Wood, Crossfire. Another Jeff Gordon kind of AOP hit. Not full AOP, but same type of vibe. There's probably 50 of those. The man, Dale. Raise hell, praise Dale. We got about 25, 30 of those. So this is only the beginning, man. If you look into the van, we aren't even halfway through it. So still early in our sorting process, but we will keep showing you guys what we got, the banger pieces, the better pieces, and kind of just sift and organize. That's the goal right now. We'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so sometimes, unfortunately, when you get very old hauls of clothes that have been sitting for a while, that have never been worn, especially dead stock, you are gonna find dry rot t-shirts. And what I mean by dry rot, what that means is, it's on black t-shirts only. The black dye for the t-shirts eats away at the cottons, it dries out and it eats the cottons. So you're literally able, it turns into paper. It smells like maple syrup. This shirt is done. It was never going to be able to be worn, never been able to be used. I mean, it's just show at this point. Like, come on. This is how easy it happens. It's sad to see because I've seen a lot of good t-shirts become dry rot. And unfortunately, we got a couple of them. Shout out to my man, Rusty Wallace.
What you thinking, bro?
Thinking there's a lot of shit.
Shout out to Austin, man. Hey. Austin is helping us out tonight. This is my childhood best friend. He came through, saw that we had the haul of a lifetime and figured he'd come and help. All right, man, if you got some little ones running around, if you got babies on the way, you're stressing about clothes, we got you. The NASCAR merch, the full tracksuit, Jeff Gordon, cool, man. And we got the baby AOPs. Come on. Get your little one to be the flyest one walking around in daycare, all right? I mean, we got bins everywhere. If you come back here, this is pretty much everything. Might not even be able to walk through here, but we have to sort through every single one of these totes. Kind of just separating it from like t-shirts, mid-level t-shirts, higher banger level t-shirts, some super low like Reggie, and then kind of just organizing the pieces, so like crew necks, jackets, t-shirts, then miscellaneous. There's some random like sports stuff too, so we're trying to separate that from the NASCAR stuff. It's just gonna be a day of like just organizing and making sure everything's up to par and good for an inventory list to be able to put out to the public. All right, so we have gotten everything sorted from the warehouse and the storage. Now the fun part kind of begins, is where we are shooting content of our better pieces, kind of pushing it out to the public in the process of kind of capturing what we have gotten from this haul. We will give you guys a kind of behind the scenes of a photo shoot that we're doing right now. And I mean, there's definitely some good pieces that are being captured right now. All of our beautiful inventory that we are going to be shooting. These are all AOPs, literally all AOPs that we are taking pictures of for our Instagram in grid fashion like this.